Hey friends, Paul here today with a quick update. I'm in the Pacific Northwest, and for the first time I'm checking out Cedrus libani, or the famous biblical cedars of Lebanon, associated with King David's temple, and just symbols of strength and longevity. See right there, Atlas cedar, Cedrus libani. They actually look like pine trees or a conifer. They don't have the cedar leaves like we have in North America that are more closely related to the juniper. These are true Cedrus genus, and these are both cedars of Lebanon down here. A native of North Africa, this tree was planted in 1931. Amazing how tall these trees have grown in about 90 years. Now by comparison, check out the western red cedar, Thuja plicata, Western North America. This one's planted in 1932, and this is actually in the Thuja genus again, which is apparently more related. You can see the Latin cypress word, that's Cypressaceae. So these are actually more related to cypress than the true cedar that we just saw with the Cedrus libani and the Cedrus atlantica, but these are native to Western North America. The power of these enormous trees. It's the first time I've seen coast redwood. As my father just pointed out, these are in the sequoia family, these redwoods. You can see they're actually in the cypress family too. 1931. And being at the base of this behemoth, and they're incredibly straight. These related species are planted in groves in this arboretum, so you'll see several of the same species adjacent to each other, which is really nice. You get a feeling of how they would grow naturally in the wild. This here is Cedrus deodara, the Himalayan cedar. The really cool thing about this, guys, is that a lot of these true cedars from the Himalayas in the Middle East, Lebanon, etc., North Africa, actually have pine needles. This is reminiscent of the larch or tamarack. These very soft needles you can see there. So not at all what you'd think about cedar, what we call that in the US, which is actually, again, the thuja, the cypress. And these are related to the pine